Hey guys, it's Erica with C-Squared Farms. Let's go check out the garden. Getting ready to fertilize some of the plants. This is what we decided to try this year, other than obviously our rabbit manure.
Looks like a potato right there. I don't know. I'm gonna have to make something more. I just water with the fish emulsion until the plants start to bloom, and then I'll stop with the fish emulsion, and those are about to bloom already.
Getting strawberry blooms. So we got maybe a handful of strawberries off of this last year, but it was our first year to have the strawberries. So this year was the year we knew we'd probably hopefully get a whole bunch of strawberries.
Lettuce.
Turnips or radishes. Yeah.
For some reason I've been saying turnips every time I talk about them.
They're radishes. Coming up out of the ground pretty good. Lettuce is looking good. Onions in the trays. So pretty. Looks like a flower.
I'm gonna do a mix of some more.
Fertilizing all the garlic and the snap peas. Chickens over here by the garden. Hi guys. Here they come. Looking for bugs. They're happy about the warm weather too. Here's our potato bed. First year to grow our own potatoes. We just cut a bunch of ends off of some rooted potatoes, chunked them in here. Well, I say we, but the farmer did. I chopped them up. He planted them. We didn't know if they would make it or not. But they're coming up pretty good. Alright, so for those who have been following us for a while, the farmer built these swallow boxes for us. We have them all over the farm. I guess about 2 years ago. And so we come out here every March, February, whatever. Usually about February, we're running a little late, and clean them out, disinfect them, so when the new swallows come in, they can make their nests and start their little families. So I already got this one all cleaned out, and I'm just gonna spray some vinegar in there. And now it is ready for new swallows. We got it closed up, now we gotta find the... To add to the regular morning farm chores, we are slowly moving these breast roosters over to the new chicken tractor. This guy's not very happy, but you'll be happy when you get to the new chicken tractor. Hey, handsome. And so out of the 20 white American breasts that we got from North Star Farms, we lost one right in the beginning. I'm not sure what happened to it, but that happens. But we ended up with 7 hens here, little pullets, I guess you would say. So we got 7 pullets, and the rest are roosters. Got all these guys loaded up, and we're getting ready to move them over to the new chicken tractor. You guys get a new house. Are you excited or what? You're just ready to get out of there, huh? Not so happy. Off we go to the new chicken tractor. Almost there. And here we are. Hey guys. So this is our water setup. It works great. It's like, no. Well, that one stayed. I'm trying to figure out, wait a minute. All right, so you look happy. Put the food in here. So there's 12 roosters. Some pretty good looking guys in here. Got some smaller, some on the smaller side. But we got some pretty big boys. That one back there that's towering over in the back. He's got some good body size. So now it'll be trying to decide who to keep and who to butcher when it's time. Those guys are still trying to figure out how to balance on a perch because they've never had one. One of the nests down out of this box. So there was swallows in there last year, hopefully. Got this one disinfected and got the door secured. This one was empty. Disinfecting this one and closing it back up. So now we're going to check on the rabbits. Here's Miss Honey. Hey, Honey Zizi. Honey, bunny, bunny, bunny. Hey, honey, baby. She's my girl right here. This is Cinnamon. Hey, big girl. She's a little more timid. Oh, you're okay. I'm not gonna get you. I'm not gonna get you. I'm just gonna love you. This is Coco. Get it? Honey, cinnamon, Coco. She's kind of new, so well, we've had her for just a few months, so she's not super used to me. She's a good girl. This is Honey's sister. And this dude, sorry, this dude's my buddy. This is Red. He's a Tamuk. Our two darker females. You're okay, buddy. Are Tamuks as well. Cinnamon is a San Juan. Hey, Bubs. You okay, Bubs? Oh, got the casual face. Hey, Red. Okay. About ready for your girls back, aren't you? We've held off for a couple months breeding these guys just because of the winter. Didn't want any babies born. He's a good boy. Hey, Red. You gonna look at me? He's like, nope. Not doing it. Psst, 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 psst. Hey, handsome. Well, hello, handsome. Hey, big boy. What you doing? What you doing? You gonna come say hi? Hmm? You gonna come say hi? He's pretty chill. We get a lot of questions about how we have our rabbits housed. So I just wanted to show you. The farmer just built this rabbit hutch, and then he built the cages that just sit in there. You see they got their water and their food containers. We just use little clips, so we've not had anything get them. This one wants to bow out a little bit. But, I mean, nothing's, so far, knock on wood. Only a snake tried to get Gus, our old male rabbit, one time. But that was about it. Nothing's tried to get him through here. But, and then this is what we use for our fryer cage. But we don't have any fryers right now, so I think that we're thinking about putting the quail into this little cage. And when you have rabbits, if you're not collecting their poop for the garden, you don't know what you're missing. Best fertilizer ever. Hi, guys. Well, hello. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hey, tiny baby. He's your mommy's girl. Yeah. You spoiled? Yeah. What is it, Outlaw? Hey, Moonshine. Pale Moon. Outlaw. Look at this dude. His horns are growing like crazy. Outlaw. Yeah, look at that. Hey, handsome. Ooh, somebody's about to be one. About to turn one. We'll be measuring this guy soon, just out of curiosity. Trying to see what the farmer's doing over there, huh? Yeah. So far, I like what I see. I'm super happy to have this guy. So this is what we do for the sheep. We leave out baking soda. A lot of people don't know to do that. We just leave it out for them to eat however they want. It helps balance out their rumen and keeps them from getting bloat, especially when the grass is starting to get really, really green in the spring. Just helps their tummies to not be so upset. And they'll eat it when they know they need it. All right, so that's about it. That's all that's really going on right now. Like I said, we don't want a whole lot of work right now. Not having to cover up everything. We don't have a greenhouse just yet. We are in the process of trying to figure out where we want to put our greenhouse. That's probably been the biggest holdback on that. But so far, just using our grow box and using our cold frame, I mean, that has worked tremendously for us, and it's been pretty simple. So simple is what we really want to do. I guess that's about it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.